Hello, welcome to my channel. Yeah, in today's video we have a problem, and it states that David had some money. He used half of that money to buy a book, then he gave half of the rest to his sister Anna, and finally he used half of what was left to buy a game for his cat. David has $5 left. How much money did David have at the beginning? Okay, so before I dive into solving this problem, I want you to pause the video, grab a pen, get your hands dirty, try to solve this problem yourself, and I want to see your answers in the comment section. Okay, so let's dive right in. Now, for us to solve this problem, I'll say let x let x be equal to the initial amount. So let x be equal to the initial money David had before he started spending. So if x is the initial amount of money he had, then he used half of that money to buy a book. So after buying the book, after after buying a book, after buying a book, all we left is all we left is so we can say remaining is equals x minus x is the initial amount minus half of the money, which is x over 2. All right, so if the remaining is x over 2, this implies that x minus x over 2 um is equal to the LCM here is 2, because this is the same as x over 1. So 1 will go into 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 we go into itself 1 times 1 times x is x, so we have 2x minus x. So this is equals x over 2. So after buying the book, what's left is x over 2. All right, let's proceed. So if x over 2 is left, then from the question, it says that he gave half of the rest to his sister Anna. He gave half of the rest to his sister Anna. So if he gives half of the rest to his sister Anna, it means we'll have, so after giving Anna the remaining, is equal to x over 2, which is what he has left now, minus half of x over 2, because from the question it states that he gave half of the rest to his sister Anna. So this is going to be x over 2 minus half of x over 2. So if we try to open this up, this is equal to x over 2 minus 1 times x is x, 2 times 2 is 4. So we have this will be x over 2 minus x over 4. And this is equal to, sorry, excuse, and sorry, and this is equal to the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 2 we go into 4 two times. 2 times x is 2x minus 4 we go into itself once. 1 times x is x. So we have 2x minus x. 2x minus x. Okay, so this is equals 2x minus x is x over 4. After giving Anna half of the remaining, what's left is now x over 4. Okay, so let's go back to the question. It states that, and finally, he used half of what was left to buy a game for his cat. So David also used half of what was left to buy a game for his cat. So this implies that after after buying a game, after buying a game, what's left, what's remaining is equals x over 4 minus half of what he had, x over 4. So this is equals x over 4 minus 1 times x is x, 2 times 4 is 8, so we have x over 8. All right, going further, so the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So 4 goes into 8 two times. 2 times x is 2x minus 8 goes into 8 once. 1 times x is x. Sorry, 1 times x is x. So this is equal to x minus x is x. So we have this as x over 8. So x over 8 is the amount left of David. And the question given to us states that David has $5 left. So by implication, it means x over 8 is equal to $5. Therefore, x over 8 equals $5. So if x over 8 is equals $5, we can now find out how much he had initially before he started spending. So by doing that, we just cross multiply this. So if this goes here, 8 times 5 will give us 40. So this implies that x is equals to 40. And this is our answer. X equals 40 is our answer. So that means the initial money David had at the beginning is $40. All right. I hope you find this problem quite interesting, and do well to like and subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that if I post subsequent videos like this, you'll get to know. Thank you very much. See you some other time. Bye.